Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2005 GMC Savana Caravan. What's really nice about these vans is that they were not just meant to deliver a package from point A to point B, but these vans were also meant to do a good traveling amount. As you can see here in the back, you have about 6 seats to carry enough passengers to get you from here to all the way to the west coast. Other than that, going into our exterior, has a very nice gold exterior, multiple windows with the curtains on them. As for the interior, you have more of a tan leather seat, which is very comfortable, very adjustable from the sides. Got power steering. As for our brakes, we can demonstrate for you quickly. Pretty good there. You can see we have no codes on the speedometer cluster there. Other than that, it reads 179,000 miles, which is very good, especially for this old of a van. But yes, she is very fun to drive, very comfortable. More importantly, I think that you could actually take a nap in the back of this thing, depending on how nice it is. But yeah, if you'd like to see more interesting vehicles, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at our website, YouTube channel. But as for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned.